Hi guys, I got my package from Desert Goddess Minerals and I just wanted to get on and film. I actually started opening it, but it's so pretty that I had to get on here and do an unboxing video. She has it wrapped in this nice pretty paper. So nice. And then, look at this. I didn't even order this. She gave me this as a gift. It's so nice. It's a tarot card. And the weird thing is, this does describe me, so it's so weird because I've never met her. My Instagram is kind of my business page, so it's not even my real page, so it's scary how this is accurate, yet she's never met me or anything. She also gave me a Palo Santo stick. I love the way this smells. Mine is actually almost out, too, so it's weird how things... Look at the universe, you know? Look at how things work. I think this is a clear quartz, little mini point. And then a little gemstone. And a little pendant that I can use to make a necklace. Or a little bracelet. So nice. Put everything back. Oh no, where'd the quartz go? There it goes. I get so scared sometimes when I lose something. Like, no. So pretty though. Look at the bag. Like, I like the bag. So cute. Thank you so much. Alright, let's open what we actually got. Okay. What first? We'll do this one first. Okay. Sure.
Hi everyone!
Alright, let's see. I don't have any scissors, so... Oh no. Get so excited to open stuff, but then you're like, oh no, I don't want to break anything. Oh, up again. Hang on. Hang on. Oh wow. Oh, this is the, I got some UV reactive calcite. So pretty. Look at it. I get so happy to get my rocks in the mail. How pretty. I need to get a new UV light. So when I get one, I'll show all of the pieces that I have that react. That'd be a nice video. Alright, that's one. Let me set this off to the side. Alright, what's next? We'll jump into this one. Hang on. If you hear the kids in the background, they're just doing their thing. Baby's in the jumper. And my daughter's filming her own little video while playing with her little Baby Alive doll. Yeah, Mr. Max. Ooh, no. Oh, wow. Wrapped nice and securely. There we go. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. You guys, oh. It really doesn't show well on camera. But in person, this is amazing. This is a piece of Colombian quartz. It's so shimmery. You guys can't see it. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys. Sort of. It'll sort of let it. It's so pretty. Look at that. Amazing. Excuse my nails also. They were black, then they were chipped. Then my daughter wanted to paint them with her little peel-off polish. So very nice. Love it. Love it. Alright. Now these are the bigger pieces that I got. Oh no. I feel like it's Christmas. I should have actually saved these for Christmas. But who can really save? When it's Christmas coming, you can't save it for anything. Oh no. I need to find some scissors. Okay. Hang on. Hang on. Okay. Hold on, honey. Okay, yeah, I don't know where you're going, but okay. There we go. She's so funny. Oh, look at her, there she is. Nice big cluster. I got 3 of these bigger clusters because I want to put them on my mantle. Yeah, look at how pretty. So many points. I love all the points. Oh, so amazing.
I know. I'm hurrying up.
I'm trying to go as fast as I can because I know the baby's going to run out of patience just sitting there in his little jumper. Whoa there, Mr. Max. Whoa. Don't hurt your little feet. Do. Oh, took my peel off polish right off. Careful. Careful. Careful, man. Careful. This is the pretty. Oh, when I saw it, I was just like, so amazing. It's quartz and it's covered in a layer of calcite. Look at that. So pretty. Love it. Hold on, Mr. Maxson. Two more left. Two more. Alright. Oh my god, I just looked at the camera, it was flashing, and I was like, did I press record? I hate when you do that. You film a short video and then you never press record to begin it, and then you're like, whoa. Okay. This is the last quartz piece. So well packaged. I love these bigger points going in opposite directions. Look at that. So pretty. I love when you can see like the growth, where it came from. Look at how pretty. Amazing. Amazing. Calm down, Mr. Max. Jeez. Last piece I got is a big piece. Well, no, I'll show you the bigger piece of the chocolate I got. But you had to separate. Maxie. So to separate the shipping on it because it was so big. Big little piece. Look at this. Look at this. Just look. Just pause for a minute. Pause the video. Don't even pause the video so you can see the shimmer. Look. So amazing. Look at this piece. Look at the druzy. Ooh-wee. So pretty, you guys. You don't even know. Look at that. How amazing. You see all the little apophyllite, the little pink stilbite. So pretty. Is this blue part on it? Chalcedony? I don't know. Let me know if you know down below. Look at this. So pretty. Look at the rainbow. Look at the little rainbows over here. Love it, love it. Rainbows. Oh, look at that piece. It's just amazing. You can see the back. Let me go grab the other piece that I got from her, actually. I got 2 pieces of Pozolite. Definitely go check her out, you guys. Desert Goddess Minerals. She did go by a different name. I think it was White Wolf Minerals or something, but yeah. Desert Goddess Minerals. You guys, amazing. Look at that. Hang on, let me grab the other piece. I can't even hold it, you guys are not ready for this bed, Larry. Look at this. Look at this. Amazing. Huge, you guys. Huge. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Amazing. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check her out on Instagram. Desert Goddess Minerals. You guys will not be disappointed. Alright, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!